Here I have Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for this mode, you can change its name, you can select days on which it will be active, and you can also change its start time, end time. You can add exceptions to this mode. It could be calls, repeat calls, messages, conversations. You can also add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, reminders to exceptions. You can add some apps, and you can also hide notifications. You can hide all notifications or just select which notifications you want to hide and which you want to unhide. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.